Geometric logo, a design philosophy that uses precise shapes and symmetry to communicate ideas with simplicity and elegance. From the basics of lines and angles to complex forms, geometric logos are the foundation of modern branding. In this video, you'll see the creation of a unique logo, a car loaded with large books and a box. I started with a clean sketch outlining the structure with crisp lines. Using geometric shapes, I formed the car, highlighting each element from the tires to the books stacked in the back. Every shape is carefully placed to reflect harmony and balance, ensuring the design remains both functional and eye-catching. Next, I brought the design to life with vibrant colors, filling the shapes to emphasize depth and contrast. The bold yet minimal color palette keeps it professional while adding a touch of creativity. Watch as this geometric logo comes together in a few swift movements,